Hello dear friends! At the beginning of my third part of my Tenerife film, I'm going to show you my hiking to El Agujero de los Gigantes. It's naturally created gate in the rock which you see now on the video. And right now I'm starting to hike to there to enjoy spectacular views over Los Gigantes and over the ocean. If you want to hike, have a great view and a bit of adventure, then the hike to the rock gate El Agujero, it's another name of this place, is just right for you. There are several ways to reach El Agujero. Almost on the top. It's so hard to walk, but look, it's so beautiful. It's so amazing here. Wow. I was walking to there from Los Gigantes, well, from the city, and it took approximately 6 hours both ways. But you also can make 7-kilometer round tour from Tamaimo, it's a small village, which will take approximately 4 hours. Tamaimo you can reach by bus and then start to walk from there. I must say that at the end I took the wrong path, and for the last hundreds of meters I made my way through bushes and large stones. It was quite funny. I was a little bit worried that I wouldn't find the right way, but I did it. So hard but extremely satisfied, because it was really hard to get to this mountain. It was really rocky and stony and very high and windy and sunny, but it was amazing, beautiful. It was incredible, beautiful. If you are on Tenerife, go to this mountain, don't think about it, just do hiking, just invest your day for this, to enjoy these amazing views. And now I hope to come back until sunset, to come back down to the city. You see there? It's about 1 hour by foot here along all this nature, and bananas fields there downstairs. Yeah, but I'm not hurrying now, and actually relaxing, walking down. Oh, look, behind me is a hill and sunset light. It's so beautiful. It's so beautiful. Wow, and you can see moon and clouds and the ocean here. Wow. It was an amazing hiking, which also gave me in the end such a beautiful sunset. is just to fall in love with it. Welcome to Santa Cruz de Tenerife, the capital of the island, where I'm going to spend a couple of days. Auditorio de Tenerife, or Opera House, is one of the most visited sightseeings in the city. What is the concept of this great building? Auditorio de Tenerife is an example of late modernism architecture. Or more precisely, this complex of indoor and outdoor spaces consists of organic forms that resemble a wave, a wing or a moon. The building is famous for its great arc, which marked a first in the history of architecture. It is the only large arc supported by only 2 points, while the tip appears to be suspended, defying gravity. The silhouette of the auditorium as seen from the sea evokes the Sydney Opera House in Australia. In different parts of the island, not only near the opera, you can see many drawings of famous musicians on stones. Very creative. Streets in the city center were decorated so nice for Christmas. I find this sculpture I found in the city very interesting. It says, "We are all Atlas, carrying on our shoulders a world of thoughts." I think everyone knows this. Let's try to live in a moment, right now. Some facts about Tenerife. The Gigantes are the indigenous people of Tenerife. Their god is Achamanu, who competed with the god Gayot. The Gigantes believed that evil Gayot lived in the Teide volcano, which served as an entrance to hell and presented the people as a large black dog. The Teide volcano is the 3rd highest in the world among island mountains. Its shadow cast on the sea is the largest in the world. Santa Cruz is the capital of Tenerife, and capital of the Canary Islands is Las Palmas. I was lucky to accidentally go to a Christmas concert. Look how great it was!
paso de mi andar por los barrancos donde habita el alma del bailar.
To visit the beach Las Teresitas was a must point for me. It's one of the most popular beaches of the Canary Islands, and it's one of the few on Tenerife that don't have the black volcanic sand that the most of the rest of Canary Islands have. Originally, the area of the beach consisted mostly of stones and rocks, with a small strip of black sand. By the way, you can reach the beach by bus. It will take approximately 15 minutes. You can also come by car, but you have to take into account that parking place is always full and you can lose time waiting for a free place. Now the Playa de las Teresitas is an artificial white sand tourist beach. The beach is around 1.3 kilometers long. At the time, buying black local sand was too expensive, so importing white Sahara desert sand from the Western Sahara was the best decision. The white sand was also more appealing for tourists. Las Teresitas is a family beach. The palms and other trees that decorate the beach allow children to play all day on the golden sand, building castles and digging holes protected by the trees' shade. The beach provides showers, toilets and changing rooms, as well as several bars selling snacks and drinks. My next point was to visit two lookout points in mountains near to Santa Cruz. They are Mirador Cruz del Carmen and Mirador Pico del Ingles. I used public bus as usual and it was worth it. If you go into the laurel forest of Anaga Rural Park, you will find this lookout point, which gives you a great panoramic view of the Vega Lagunera, a UNESCO World Heritage Site. In the distance, high above, you will be able to delight yourself with the silhouette of El Teide. Highly recommended both for the views and the unforgettable beauty of the surroundings. Next to the lookout point, there is a restaurant, visitor center and flea market. On my way to Pico del Ingles, walking through this magical forest which you see now on the video, I saw Tunel de las Hadas, or Fairy Tunnel. Undoubtedly one of the most iconic corners of the rural park of Anaga and Tenerife. Very fast to access as it's located just before the Pico del Ingles viewpoint. It is a road that is literally in the cut of a mountain, with green vertical walls on each side full of life with roots, earth and forming all kinds of colors. The viewpoint at the top of the Green Mountain range of Anaga in northern Tenerife is an excellent opportunity to put your camera to the test, especially if you can take 360-degree photos. Looking east on clear days, you can see the entire mountain range at the way to the city of Santa Cruz. To the west, the island rises majestically from the sea to the highest mountain peak of Teide. With medium to good visibility, Gran Canaria and La Palma can also be seen rising from the sea. If you like this video, please subscribe the channel, give it a like and share it with your friends. All the best for you and take care.